The president is trying to ramp up American manufacturing, and the administration is targeting training for trades that do not require a college degree. Lauren Simonetti in Mahwah, New Jersey. All right, Lauren, how's business at that trade school that you're visiting?
Well, you don't need a college degree to work many of the manufacturing jobs of the future, like robotics. This is Jeff here. This machine requires 4 humans, one like Jeff, who programs the machine. We programmed it to adapt to the environment, carry this bottle opener to the machine, customize it, and then, psych, we added in that little trick where I catch it. The 4th human being would then have to fix and maintain the machine. So this is the future. The kids here call this a cobot. It's a machine, but it's like a coworker. They work together. This is automation, but there are nearly 500,000 manufacturing jobs open at our nation's factories. You can see the spike in the graph right here, the spike during COVID. It's continued as the White House is pushing the skilled trades, as more and more companies say they cannot find staff to fill the need for welders, mechanics, electricians, and machinists. Here's the school's pitch, which might answer the original thought process here. Is college worth it?
Instead of a $150,000, $200,000 investment in guessing in what you want to do, you pick a skilled trade, you get good at it, you become the subject matter expert, and then you can transition into college, should that be your goal.
Okay, so college is not completely out. A degree here costs around $30,000, and it takes about 1 year to get. The students and the graduates that I've been speaking to say, yeah, we've got multiple offers, sometimes $25 to $30 an hour to start, and there's huge demand for HVAC work. As the temperatures get hot, Stuart, you need someone to fix the AC. Huge demand for that field right now, too.
I understand that one. Thank you, Lauren.